this rain made driving down some roads today nearly impossible. 22 News reporter Matt Karen is live at our Hampshire County Bureau after a day of torrential rain in the Northampton area.
That's right. We have some incredible video to show you, and we want to get right to it. This is video that was taken just a few hours ago along North Main Street in Northampton. So much rain in such a short amount of time. Overwhelmed storm drains and forced water to bubble up through manhole covers. It was a similar situation on Round Hill Road in Northampton. Water was just gushing up from a manhole in the middle of the road there. The torrential downpours turned many streets into rivers and many crosswalks into pools of ankle-deep floodwater. We also have some video to show you of Child's Park in Northampton. The entire park turned into a muddy lake. Video in Florence, right outside of Look Park near the VA Medical Center, shows vehicles there struggling to drive in the rainwater, splashing through it as it was cascading down the sides of the road. And it wasn't just those side streets. We have video of I-91 on the way to Northampton that shows just how hard this rain was falling for most of the day, forcing traffic to slow down and avoid hydroplaning. In Florence earlier today, there was also a tree that fell on a car on Bridge Road. That was from all of the wind and rain, but luckily no one was hurt and it was cleaned up quickly. If you have any videos or photos of storm flooding or damage that you can safely send to us, you can submit them to report it at WWLP.com. Live at our Hampshire County Bureau in Northampton, Matt Karen, 22 News.